I've just come out into the garden for 10 minutes to finish my breakfast. That's the man of my dreams, Buddy. He's my world. And I'm happy because he's coming out more. Yeah. From a silver therapy perspective, just sitting out in your garden, in a local park, in the woods for even 10 minutes out of your day, just taking 10 minutes away from the desk or the kitchen, preferably with your shoes off, bare feet, so you can feel grounded in the earth, can work absolute wonders for your concentration and mental health and general sense of well-being.